watching Rose and Lauren's fashion, adventure and lifestyle vlog. Roseanne, let me have that. Yeah man, do your thing. This is Roxie Takeover, taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog.
I need to tell you what's going on. So I forgot to video, so you guys not seen the video footage. But we went on the bus, and on the bus they couldn't give us our transfers that they normally do on the TTC because they're social distancing, so they're not allowed to touch you or touch paper because you know they don't want to get the go now. And so we went to they don't want to get the corona. So I went to the grocery store, and there's social distancing at the grocery store too. So there was a line, a huge line, and you're only a certain amount of people are allowed to go in. So we're back without no groceries because it's kind of cold outside, and you see I'm wearing a winter coat. It doesn't make sense to stand up outside for 1 hour or 2 hours waiting for groceries in the cold. So we decided to turn back because right now social distancing is kicking us in our A-nutsies. Bye bye. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going outside in the first. I haven't been outside in a while since they're in quarantining. So I'm gonna go outside. So don't mind my hair. I don't need to look nice because it's quarantine. There's nobody to look at me and think I look pretty or attractive.
You putting socks on?
See my socks in my hand. So I have nobody to think I look pretty or sexy or attractive. So I'm going outside in the quarantine. Y'all, you know. So let's see what's happening. Welcome to Canada. Vlog number 1, COVID-19.
Oh God.
Oh. So y'all, as I was saying, I'm going outside. Let's go see what outside look like in the day of quarantine. You know, it's what do you call it, pandemic?
Pandemic.
A pandemic outside. So yeah, you know. Oh no, by the way, do you guys like my real hair? Decided to wear it out. I think it's growing from the last one I cut it off. So it looks like it's growing. So I decided to show it off a little bit. Y'all, you know. So yeah. So I'll be going outside, y'all. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. If the place look like a dead zone, y'all. I'm gonna show you that. So let's go. I'm gonna try. So
I'm just gonna walk right into there. I don't care.
so day 2 of Corona Day shopping, trying to go get food, or we're going to starve to death.
Yeah, where's that list?
So it's day 2 of Corona Day shopping. By the way, y'all, I still look like a hot mess, but you know, it's day 2. Cold outside, and it's Corona shopping day. That they have signs all over the place. Shelf of all is the paper towel shelf. People, no toilet paper. Oh, yeah, there is 4 toilet paper left. Welcome to the days. It's normally packed with groceries, and all the shelves are pretty much empty. That's when you know that it's getting bad, when the shelves are pretty much empty. You have to get up from very early, very early in the morning. The grocery store is empty in order for us to get in here because we didn't want to have to deal with the line up outside and all those things. So we had to get up very early. The grocery store is pretty much empty, which I guess that's a good thing for us, but there's lots of signs everywhere, so I'm going to show you some of the signs and stuff. A lot of people covering their faces and stuff, but as I said, we have to get up very early, so it's pretty much empty, and we're here early in the morning. The COVID line, that's a big line there, so we end up missing that part, which is amazing. So all those signs, that's what on the door and all the places. So yeah, so we didn't have to line up in that lovely line that you see right there outside in the cold. Wake up super early just so that we could get our groceries. Oh Lord, those people outside in that line. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go back to sleep, y'all. Yeah. It's early. I don't wake up at this time. So now I'm gonna go back to sleep and relax my lovely nerves. I'm probably gonna have cereal because I'm starving. I don't know what time it is right now. Probably 10 something. Anyhow. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to sleep, y'all. Relax. But I wanna let you guys know something. I tell you, the people take everything off the shelf. And you know, it wasn't ever a zombie apocalypse. Y'all, all of us will be dead because these people are greedy. So half of the shelves are empty. Anyhow, see you guys later. Everybody, welcome to Quarantine Life. So I don't have anything to do. And Honeyberry is like walking around. He's like, oh, I'm so bored. He's walking around. So right now, I'm playing with my hair. Because it's quarantine life. And this is, I don't know what day in quarantine this is. I told you guys I was going to keep track of the day of quarantine life. But then I didn't. So I've been home for a while. So I guess I lost track. But anyhow, it's quarantine life. So I'm in under quarantine right now, or isolation, whatever you want to call it. So I decided to do my hair, flat iron it straight, y'all, as best as I possibly could. It's a whole lot of hair. And I got this lace like melted. So it's completely like it's coming out of my scalp, y'all, because I got it completely melted to my scalp. You know. So it looks like it's my hair. Alright, so that's what I have for you for in the days of quarantine, me doing my hair. I am hoping to get more stuff, so I'm probably going to call up some people tomorrow and I'll find out how they are doing in the days of quarantine. Alright, y'all. So see ya later. I didn't do my eyebrows, but they look pretty nice. Cause you know. Alright, so this is me in the days of quarantine, y'all. I don't know what day this is because I feel like I've been inside for like 200 years. So y'all know. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. This is the news. This is what we're going to be talking about. This is what the news is talking about.
The other shelters still are using bunk beds.
Alright, everyone. So this is my interview panel at the moment. Trying to get this very, very steady. Alright, so everybody, that's my friend Deja right there. And also, that's Victoria right there. Alright, do you guys want to say hi, YouTube? Alright, so we're going to talk about what's going on, the epidemic that's going on out there. It's Corona, so we're going to be talking about that right now. And let's get it going. You are home from work, right? And what's the reason why you're home from work? Because I know you're in the Bull Bay area, and in that area, they're pretty much having some quarantine aspects, so.
Right.
Yeah, so what is it like for you now?
Well, it's not so bad. I mean, we've been on a lockdown for like, I think 2 weeks now. And I don't even know what to say.
So you've been under quarantine for 2 weeks now. So at work, are they still paying you for being at home?
Yes, they are.
Okay, so you still get your compensation. So do you miss being at work or anything like that?
Yes, I miss being at work, to be honest. Because I'm used to the weekend, because I think Saturday they're going to free us up.
Oh.
So I think now that it's going down to that time, persons are out. I think the place is more lively. Like, you don't feel like there is something going on.
Okay, so have you gone outside?
You know? Well, not really.
No, you haven't?
The persons from the Ministry of Health, they come to check our temperature. The other day, they go house to house to check person's temperature.
Okay.
So that's when I went outside.
Okay, thank you.
French fries. Tonight we're having like pogos. I think
Yeah.
I bought some cream soda. They've been drinking a whole bunch of pop.
Oh, they've been drinking a lot of pop. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, a whole bunch of pop.
So far you've been doing entertaining stuff for the kids. So you've been doing gymnastics and you're making lots of meals. And I'm guessing at this moment you're taking it as mostly as family quality time.
Yeah, like quality time. It's really nice to be off work. Yeah.
So pretty much about y'all. It's pretty much like vacation though.
It's full-time job and with my 2 kids. So I feel like I'm going to be off now. I applied for EI and...
Oh, you've applied for EI?
I think I qualified for EI, yeah. I've
Oh.
been EI for probably like at least until September.
Okay. No problem. That sounds very, very... Alright, so I'm glad to hear that everybody's keeping up safe and everybody's good and everything. As I said, I just wanted to know the impact and how you guys both feel about it on different side of the world. And since I'm in Canada, I was going to get somebody from New York, but, you know, that didn't work out. But since I'm in Canada, I get both my Jamaican background and also what's going on here as well in Canada, somewhere far, far away from where I live. Of course, so I actually got that. So I want to tell you guys, thank you guys very, very much. Thank you for spending some time out of your day. And keep safe. And thank you again. Bye, Deja. See you when I come to Jamaica.
Perfect.
Alright, bye, Victoria. I don't know when I'm going to see you again, but bye. I just finished the interview with the 2 lovely ladies. I want to tell them thank you guys very much for being part of my panel. Thank you guys very much, and I hope you guys like this interview of what is going on our current issues at the moment across the world, or a global issue. So thank you guys very much. Remember to like and to subscribe, and thank you. My cousin just called me, so she's okay with doing the interview, so we're going to conduct it. She's going to be doing solo by herself, so let's get it popping. YouTube came from work. What was the streets like for you when you're coming from work?
A lot of people are out there, but they're all covered in masks and gloves and the necessary precaution. But people are out.
Okay, so how is it like for here to go? Because you run your own business. So is your business still active, or is it like slowed down now because of the epidemic that's going on?
Yeah, my business is closed.
Oh, it's closed, so you actually have to be closed.
Yeah.
So most of the day, are you like outside, or are you when you leave from work you just go home? Is that what you're doing?
No, well, I do delivery.
Okay.
Those companies. So it's not at school, because I'm online school, but I'm not at school. That takes up most of my day, and then I a few hours out just doing.
Okay, I understand. So everything in your household is okay though. You're not feeling a major impact of it?
No.
No?
No.
But other than that, your life, your day-to-day life, has it changed majorly, or is it still the normal?
It has changed because I'm not working. I have to become accustomed to having my classes online, stuff like that. So
Okay.
it's much different.
It's different now. Okay. All right. I want to tell you thank you for your time. I'm sorry you couldn't get to be a part of the panel, but I appreciate your time. I want to tell you thank you very much. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
All right. Thank you. Bye.